slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. The map in front of you. Choose where you're from while we input your time travel coordinates.
Io stanno qui a Aurelia a Nuno, come qui a Amelia a Diego. now listed in the country.
But then we knew Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
I'm sorry that line was busy. Remember, please. One moment. I'll connect you. Young people with passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Spaceship Earth.
Rotating change will take return to Earth. As you return to Earth, our time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. Travel rate for your return to Earth. Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. Please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wait, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax, things as they come. Getting there is half the fun, so your family car will be equipped with virtual tools to teach you about the world outside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Symphony of us.
Hey guys, George Floyd Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at Epcot, came for the end of Luminous, Spaceship Earth, and we heard this wonderful sound at Test Track. They're testing the cars, guys. So we know that they are getting close to opening this thing up. We know it's gonna be this summer, but we heard them testing cars. They're running about every 3 or 4 seconds. One zips by, just like that. So they're testing out the entire mechanism now. We know we're getting close. When this opens, guys, we will be on it. We'll POV it. We will show you it firsthand how good it is. But right now, Test Track 3.0 is well on its way. So, with that being said, guys, it's George Floyd Parks After Dark with my partners in crime,
Addie and Kenzie.
and we are here at Epcot, and we are excited to tell you Test Track is one step closer to opening.
Test Track is coming back.
Test Track is coming back as we make the rhyme. With that, guys, have a fantastic night. Like and subscribe our channel, and one more time.
If it'll come.
And they stop running. With that said, guys, have a great night. Take care. Hey guys, George Floyd Parks After Dark. We are here at Epcot. It's after closing. Just got done the fireworks show. And you know what you have to do at the end of the night. You got to creation shop. That's why it's always open late. One of the biggest and best merchandise stores in all of Disney World is at Epcot. And it has some of everything. Now, the one thing to tell you, we're at the end of the night, which means everybody had the same idea we did. So we came down the middle, which will make it interesting to show it to you. But first thing is, I love these. They're heavy, they're ceramic. They are, in my opinion, one of the best cookie jars you ever seen in your whole life. And they're $60 each. You want to have your own Spaceship Earth coming home. Along this entire wall, and they have their collection of all the mugs. Now I will tell you, these mugs here, these drawn mugs are new. You haven't seen these before. A great Tinkerbell mug. And they got the Stitch mug. And they have all the other mugs, the Marvel mug, one of our personal favorites, Baymax. Great old-fashioned Winnie the Pooh mugs here. And Pooh is represented well with his front end and his back end. Orange Bird, which has been the star of the Flower Garden for the whole time. The Genie, a definitely underrated character. A great mug here, Love Mug. There's a great Mickey mug there. So that's the mug they have here. They have the plastic ones as well. Just swoop back around through. So this is just all the drink area. Now we go on this side. This is the kids area. So you have all the bath toys or pool toys. The Mickey, the Fab Five are here. They have the little play sets. And then all the kids' clothes. And they have a great selection of kids' clothes here. But now what they also have, guys, you know what it is. Stitch Live Action just came out. So they have an entire Stitch section. But I will tell you what surprises me. It's not as much as you would think. There's your graduate Stitch. I'm not sure you'd ever to graduate. Look, he's eating his diploma. He's only Stitch. And then you got the big Stitch and Angel. And aliens, because they got the ears. And then an entire wall of the Fab Five. And this is a great Steamboat Willie plushie. And they do have, yes, they do have Inside Out 2. Sadness, embarrassment, joy's here. Envy's here. Anger's here. Disgust and anxiety. Ennui is the only one we're missing. I think boredom is not here, and that is the only thing. Amazing. We come through the very large sleeping stuffies. And then the marble table, which is just great. And then as you kind of come through out of the kids section, it goes all kind of clothes and merch and stuff you really haven't seen in places. This entire pink section is fantastic. This is a great Spirit jersey. They have the Mickey balloons on the back of the fireworks. Secret Walt Disney World in the front. On the back, and then the front has the D with the balloon that's raised. Outstanding. It is Pride Month, and so they really brought out a lot of the Pride products here, which we really applaud Disney for embracing. It is done well and not overdone. Gotta love that. Then in here you have all your toys and your magic bands, and we're not going into the chaos. So we're going over to our friend Orange Bird. Oh, and a great crossbody with the bee. And then we'll slide into Orange Bird. Now realize, Flower and Garden's over, so a lot of this will begin working itself out of the parks, and will find itself to where? The Character Warehouse. And where we will find it, I'm sure, in one of our vlogs, and we will show you it. Now this is a great one. This is a great piece. So you have Orange Bird with the Epcot ball. Excellent. Great Orange Bird mugs as well. And then a fantastic metal water balloon jug. What are these running now? $54.99. And what is the jug? I forgot to get the price on this. $24.99 for the mug. And then that is a great Spirit jersey. So this one's great. It has a circle with 30 years, Flower and Garden. The bottom is kind of a velour that's stamped with Orange Bird. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. And then obviously at this park they're going to embrace Figment with a outstanding Figment Loungefly. I love it. Great sweatshirt, fantastic pouches. So now we'll dive through this, and we'll go through it relatively quickly. A lot of people. So this Just Space has all the merch, and what they do is they break it up. So here's all your Mickey stuff, right? And I have to tell you right now, I gotta stop here. This is a Mickey Loungefly we have not seen before. And it is really, really a nice Mickey Loungefly. Hold on. It's $80. Not really terrible for that kind of Loungefly. Great Mickey hat, great Mickey sweatshirt. As you come down, they just really do all this Mickey Mouse in here. And then as we break out through Mickey Mouse, we come into more Mickey Mouse, which is why it's Mickey. The oversized sweatshirts with the now these t-shirts we've seen in a couple of places that really, really enjoy. It's the large graphic tees with the Fab Five. Pluto and Goofy on this side. I have to assume, and I may be wrong, and I'm not, good. Mickey Minnie on this side. And then we've really seen Fantasmic, most magical place on earth, blow up here. In a very Fantasmic-like thing. But look, this is definitely, I think, going to be your summer kind of energy and theming is around the most magical place on earth. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We got a great hat, great Loungeflies. So clearly they grabbed this and went with it. So really love that product. We're back at our mugs now, but listen, if we keep going this way, which we are going to keep going this way. It's my birthday. I love it. They have a fantastic set of ears on the back wall here. And I'll tell you right now, villain, 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 villain. We will take over Disney over the next few months. And then really with some of the best Loungefly collection you're going to see anywhere, including a straight Epcot Loungefly, which we have not seen. But I have to tell you what I really love is that one. Nemo fanatic at heart. Love it. A fantastic Monster University one. It has that, oh man, and then it has Inside Out 2. And then they do have Figment. Guys, I'm really impressed. They do have your Stitch, because why? It's Stitch. Stitch runs it right now. And then we'll peel back around because we're in the way. And we'll come back through. And then you just have an increased amount of other merchandise with anything with Mickey on it, anything with ears on it. You have the Fab Five with that new, this is a definite new Loungefly model. They're really pushing out, but what I love is these guys. They have mini stuffies of every kind and character you can name. Personal favorite, Figment.
Me too.
And the magnets, and they're magnetic on the bottom. You even have Hey Hey. It is really just a neat spot. So, with that said, oh wait, one more thing. Look at this. Again, the square lounge slide. It's a rectangle lounge slide, not a lot of sequence. It's really the model they're going with now. Very impressive. But with that said, guys, oh, wait a minute. This, create your own headband. We saw this at Disney Springs a while back. And this is just probably one of the greatest things Disney's ever done. You're able to build your own headband. You buy the band, and then you buy heads of your favorite characters. And you get charged by band and then by each character you buy. And that is just really fantastic. It's so creative. Look at some of the ones they've already got pre-made.
It covers additional.
It is awesome. So with that said, guys, George Fuller Parks After Dark. You have a fantastic day. Take care.
You want to get on what? That's fine.